Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss the topic integer in integer exercise 4D. See, listen children. Convert the following subtraction expression to equivalent addition expression. Here this minus symbol I am going to write in the addition. How can I write this minus symbol into addition? See, listen. 9 minus 4. So 9 plus of minus 4. 9 plus of minus 4. Now see here, plus into minus is what? Minus. So like this, the subtraction expression I am going to write in the addition expression. Can you clear this, children? Now listen, 7 minus of minus 3. So 7 minus of minus 3 I can write as to be what? 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 is your answer. Next, minus 7 minus 9. How can I write this? Minus 7 minus 9. See this, minus 7 plus into minus of minus 9. Can you clear this? This minus 9 I am going to write as to be what? Plus into minus. So like this only I am going to express the subtraction into addition. See, when I am coming for this e-sum, listen children, e-sum minus 7 minus of minus 4. See this, minus into minus plus. So minus 7 plus 4 is the answer. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? When I am coming for the second sum, find the difference. See this, you are going to subtract. Difference means what you are going to do? Difference means subtract. So minus. So listen here, 15 minus 8, alternate symbol, plus 15 minus 8. So I am going to subtract, and which integer having, whether a positive integer or the negative integer is greater, means that sign I am going to write here. So 15 minus 8, so 7 I am going to subtract. So for that 7 and plus 15, because 15 is greater when compared to minus 8. So for that a plus 7 will come here. So this is my answer. And when I am coming for 8 minus of minus 3, now first step you have to remove the bracket. Minus into minus plus 3. So both are in the positive. So I am going to add and put the positive symbol. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So plus 11. See, alternate symbol. So for that I am going to subtract this. 12 minus 17, what is it? 17 minus 12. 17 minus 12 is 5. And which is having more? Negative integer. So for that put the minus symbol. Now see here, both my sign are what? Negative. So for that add and put the negative symbol, which is minus 11. 7 plus 4 is 3, minus 7 minus 4. So I am going to add that. See, listen here, minus 60 minus of minus 8. How can I write this? Minus 60 minus into minus is what? Plus 8. See, listen children, 60 minus 8 is what? 60 minus 8. What is the answer? I am going to subtract this. 60 minus 8. So now what is it become 10 and this become what? 5. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and this is what? 52. So my answer is minus 52. What is the answer? Minus 52, because a negative integer having what? More. So for that minus 52. When I am coming for the next sum, subtract the first integer from the second. Subtract the first integer from the second. So write the question. See, this is your first integer and this is your second integer. So minus 300 from minus 200, because subtract the first integer from second integer. According to the question, I am going to arrange the numbers. Obviously I know that from after what is there, that I am going to arrange as to be first. So minus 200, this is a subtract concept. So for that, minus of first integer. Clear, children? Close the bracket. Now remove the bracket. Minus 200 minus into minus is what? Plus 300. So alternate symbol. So I am going to subtract 300 minus 200 is what? 100. And plus is having what? More. So for that, higher I have to put the plus symbol. Now listen, 0 minus of 2009. First integer from second integer. First integer from second integer. So listen, children. So what is it? Minus 2009 minus of 0. So listen, what you are going to write here? Any number, when I am subtracting with 0, I can get the same answer. So for that, 2009. So my answer is what? Minus 2009. Got it, children? When I am coming for the sum, subtract the first integer from second. So listen, 0 minus of minus 275. 275. So 0 plus 275. So any number with 0 is what? The same number. So 275 is your answer. Can you clear this, children? Now listen, minus 2910 comma minus 3920. Like this also you have to arrange. So minus 2910 from minus 3920. So write this first. Minus 3920 minus of minus 2910. Can you clear this, children? So minus 3920 minus into minus is what? Plus 2910. Just subtract this in a rough column. 3, 9, 2, 0. I am going to subtract with 2, 9, 1, 0. So just you subtract this. 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0, 1. So answer is what? Negative having more. So for that put the negative symbol and write 1010. See, when I am coming for the fourth sum, insert less than or greater than in each box. So I am going to insert. The first thing I am going to simplify. First what I have to do? I am going to simplify. See here, minus 2 minus of minus 8. Box 7 minus minus of minus 3. So listen children, minus 2 minus into minus plus 8. Make a box. And minus into minus is what? Plus. So 7 plus 3. Now listen, 8 minus 2 is what? 6. Make a box. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So 6 is greater or 10 is greater? 6 is greater. So now write the question. Answer, minus 2 of minus 8, box 7 minus of minus 3. So this is your answer. The same thing you have to simplify the left hand side and then simplify the right hand side. Now you compare which is a greater. See, listen, minus 7 plus into minus is minus 10. Make a box. Minus 7 minus into minus is what? Plus 10. See children, minus 7 minus 10 is what? Minus 17. Box. Minus 7 plus 10 is what? 3. I am comparing the negative number with the positive integer. So obviously my positive integer is greater. So now write the answer for this. Minus 7 plus of minus 10 box less than minus 7 minus of minus 10. So this is my answer. See, when I am coming for the fifth sum, the sum of two integer is 50. If one of the integer is minus 30, determine the other. They are given that the sum of the two integer is what? 50. Any two, I am adding the two integers. My answer is what? 50. And they are giving the one integer to be what? Minus 30. I am going to find out the other integers. So listen children, I am going to consider the other integer be x. Let x be the other integer. Let x be the other integer. According to the question, now I am going to frame the equation here. The given integer is 30 and I am adding x to that because this x I am going to find out, but my sum is what? 50. My sum is what? 50. So x is equal to 50 plus 30. Minus 30, when it comes to this side, it become what? Plus 30. So x is equal to here 80. X is equal to 80. So x is equal to here 80. Answer is the other integer is the other integer is 80. So like this only you are going to find out the other integer. X be the other integer I am going to consider, and according to the question I frame the equation. Next I have to go for the B sum. See, the sum of two integer is minus 567. If one of them is 33, determine the other. It is same as A sum. Listen, here also I am going to consider let x be the other integer. Just I have to frame the equation. 33 plus x plus x. Plus x is equal to minus 567. Now listen children, x is equal to minus 567. This plus 33, when it moves to the other side, it become what? Minus 33. Just you add this in the rough column. 567, because my sign are what? Both are what? Same. So I am going to add that. 0, 1 carry over, again 0, that is what? 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So 1 carry over, again what it becomes? 600. So x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 600 because both are in the negative. So for that minus 600. Now I am going to write the answer for this. Listen, the other the other integer is minus 600. The other integer is minus 600. Can you clear this, children? Thank you, children.